Hello everyone and welcome to the second project of CS50 Web Wiki. The first feature we're going to show is /wiki/title should get you to the entry. So let's say /wiki/Django, for example, and enter. It gets you, or it redirects you to the page of Django. And if let's say I type something that doesn't exist, like let's say JavaScript, it it gives you an error. Next feature we're going to say is that we're going to show you is the redirect feature. When you press on a file or an entry in the on the index page, it redirects. So let's say Git, it redirects you. Let's say Java, it redirects you to the entry markdown file that has been converted to HTML. Third feature we're going to search is the search. So let's say we type CSS and we press search, it redirects you to CSS. Let's say we say get, redirects you to get. Now let's type a part of something like Python, it gets you the results that include WTHON. Let's say we say, for example, A, and we have two results with A. And as you can see, if we press on the result, it redirects you to the page Django Java. And if you type something that doesn't exist, like let's say JavaScript, it shows that there is no results. Next feature we are going to show is the create new page. Um, we type I have prepared a markdown file, so let's paste it about PHP, and the page name will be PHP. And we press save entry, and as you can see, it has been created. Now let's try to create something that has that is already here. So let's say hello, and we name this, let's say get. It should return an error because get already exists, and here it is. Next feature we are going to show is the edit page. So let's, for example, go to get, and we try to edit it. Here is the input text pre-populated with what is already there, and let's say, for example, we want to delete this part. Okay, and we save entry, and as you can see, it has been deleted, and here is the updated part. Now let's try the random page feature. It redirects you to a page randomly. Final feature is the conversion from HTML, from Markdown to HTML. So I'll show you the Markdown. So here, as you can see, the file is written in Markdown, but it is reconverted to HTML. That's everything, and thank you.